Hello everyone. Today we will explore the world of exponential growth and decay. Have you ever wondered how money in a bank grows over time, how bacteria multiply, or why certain substances decay over years? These real world phenomena follow exponential functions. So today we will find out how things grow rapidly or shrink gradually, understand their formulas, and learn how to solve problems step by step. So grab your notebooks and let's begin solving a sum from MYP 5 Plus Maths textbook. So the given problem is an entomologist. An entomologist is a person who studies insects. Monitoring a grasshopper plague, notices that the area affected by the grasshoppers is given by An is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 0.2 n hectares, where n is the number of weeks after the initial observation. Part A, find the original affected area. Part B, find the affected area after 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks. Part C, draw the graph of An against n. Part D, how long would it take for the affected area to reach 3000 hectares? So let's begin solving part A. Find the original affected area. So original affected area is the starting value. In the beginning, what was the area? So A0 is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 0.2 into 0, which is 1000 into 2 to the power 0. So this is 1000 hectare. We know that 2 to the power 0 is 1. The value is 1. So original area is 1000 hectare. Part B. Find the affected area after 5 weeks. So B part 1, A5 is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 to the power 0.2 into 5, which is 1000 into 2 to the power 2 by 10 multiplied by 5, which is 1000 into 2, which is 2000 hectare. Part 2, A after 10 weeks. So A10 is equal to 1000 into 2 to the power 0.2 10, which is 1000 into 2 square, which is 1000 into 4. So this becomes 4000 hectare. So after 10 weeks, the affected area is 4000 hectare. Part C, A12. So after 12 weeks, let's calculate 1000 into 2 to the power 0.2 into 12. Now this is 1000 into 2 to the power 2 by 10 into 12. Now we'll use a graphic calculator for this. So the value is approximately 5278, and rounding this we get 5300 hectare. So please use graphic calculator to evaluate this value. Now part C, draw the graph of An against n. So I'll try to draw the graph here. Please note that this is just a rough sketch, not drawn to scale. So on the x-axis we have n weeks, and here on the y-axis we have An, the affected area. Now let's label the graph. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and here we begin with 1000, then 2000, 3000, 4000, 6000. Okay, now we know that the original value is 1000 hectares. So this is the original point, the first point, the coordinates here. Next, we notice that A5, so the fifth week. So fifth week is somewhere here. This is 5. In the middle, between 4 and 6 is 5. And the value is 2000 hectare. So this is my next point. Then A10, the value is 4000 hectare. So I'll just try to label this here. This is the point. Then A12, which is 5300 hectare, 5300. So 5300 must be somewhere here. Now I will draw a curve. But please note that we are drawing this graph using the graphic calculator, where you put down the values and the graph is generated. Now I will label the coordinates. So this is 12, 5300. This is 10, 4000, and this is 5, 2000, while this is the original value, so 0 and 1000. This is the origin. Okay, so part C is done. Now part D, we move to the next part, last part. How long would it take for the affected area to reach 3000 hectares? Now we see that 3000 hectares is here. So from the graph, we notice that it will take, so I just write it here, from the graph it will take approximately 8 weeks for the area to reach 3000 hectares. The solution can also be found by using graphic calculator, where you put down the values and the answer will be generated. So we learned how things can increase rapidly or shrink over time. These patterns are all around us, and understanding them helps us make predictions in science, finance, and daily life. Keep practicing and looking for examples in real world also. If you enjoyed this lesson, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more math topics. Do share your views in the comment sections also below. Till then, keep exploring and happy learning.